Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amex for charging at Electrify America network step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your American Express card ready. Open the Electrify America mobile app or visit their website. If you don't already have an account, create one by providing your email and setting up a password. Log into your existing account using your email and password. Navigate to the payment section within the app or website. Select the option to add a new payment method. Choose American Express from the list of accepted cards. Enter your American Express card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to provide the billing address associated with your card. After entering all necessary information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, press the button to save your payment method. You should see a confirmation message indicating your card is successfully added. Next, locate a nearby Electrify America charging station through the app or website. When you arrive at your chosen station, start the charging process. Select your vehicle's connector type if required. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the authorization process. You will be asked to choose your payment method. Select your American Express card. Confirm the transaction amount and authorize the charge. Once authorization is complete, plug in your vehicle's connector. Wait for the charging station to establish a connection with your vehicle. Monitor the charging progress on the app or station display. When charging is complete, safely disconnect your vehicle and finish the session. Keep your receipt or transaction details for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.